But on the exposed coast of Mexico's Yucatan, life is precarious. Concentrated by the tropical sunshine, the brine in these shallow lagoons cannot be tolerated by most animals. And yet, these Caribbean flamingos have flown hundreds of miles to gather here. These hypersaline waters keep many predators at bay. So it's here they choose to nest. There are more than 10,000 pairs here. It's the largest breeding colony in North America. Nest mounds keep chicks clear of the brine while they're still at their most vulnerable. But this generation faces a problem. The storms that come each season are arriving earlier every year. And the colony lies directly in their path. Rising winds create a storm surge that overwhelms the most exposed nests. And then it rains. The adults do what they can, bailing out their nests. But they can only do so much. The storm passes, but leaves devastation in its wake. Most nests are submerged. The chicks are soaked and cold, and will soon perish unless they can get out of the water. The adults are unable to help. A chick must save itself. Some years, no chicks survive in this colony. Our coasts are vulnerable places, increasingly so as rising global temperatures create bigger storms. The biggest are hurricanes. They form over warm tropical water, building in strength at sea. But their full force is unleashed on our coasts, where 40% of the world's human population have made their homes. In this changing world, coasts are on the front line.